Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to fix this problem. Do you see the shadow that is on this form? Well, that came from that printer right there. What's happening is either the drum roller or the fuser, one of the two, is keeping carbon on the roller, carbon being toner, and it's not being cleaned off properly. The question you need to figure out is it the drum or is it the fuser? And that's easy to tell. What you do is you take a measuring tape and you measure the distance between the repeated image and see if it's 1.7 inches or 1.3 inches. If it's 1.3 inches, it's the fuser. The fuser is the thing that gets really hot and makes the toner stick to the page permanently. The drum, however, is where the carbon, the toner goes to be put onto the page. Now in this case, the distance between this shadow is 1.7 inches. So that means it's the drum. And fortunately, the drum kit for this is really easy to change on these Brother printers. We bought a replacement unit for just $22 Canadian, so what, $16 US? And let's see if it actually fixes the problem. We'll show you how to change it right now. And so to change it, you simply pop the top, pull it back, and pull out the entire drum and toner unit. And in here you can see we're using a knockoff toner, and that's okay. Just pop the toner out, put it aside. Doesn't make any difference where you put it. And that is your drum. That's your roller. Now, one of the things you can do is you can move this Corona cable back and forth to see if it'll help, but I wouldn't spend a lot of time on it. Once these drums start going, yeah, they're pretty much gone, and they're so cheap to change, why bother? And you can see this one's actually labeled DR630. So, what do? Go to Amazon or any other place and buy a DR630. Like this one. LCL is a reputable brand for these knockoffs. There it is. Make sure this is still DR630, that's the one. So, what do? We take this pull paper, pull it off. That's very important. If you don't, that roller's not exposed and you'll be in hell. And then let's just pop it in. There we go. And let's print something and see what happens. Perfect. No more shadows, ghosts, whatever you want to call them. Awesome. Hey, if you found the video useful, big thumbs up. It'd be super appreciated. Subscribe's also always appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.